right. Oh.
I hit the wrong lane. I meant to be down here.
Yeah, okay, but...
All the other lanes that keep going. People are scared. Holy cow, I'm competing with Fred, Josh.
Oh, big crack.
Okay. Oh,
Copy that, John.
I thought that down there would be safe.
You thought wrong. All right. No, and the Duke of War is out. Whoa. So fast. Try to put the car back on. You're lucky if you don't get cracked.
Oh.
Yes! Oh, sorry.
Oh, big crack up. More quickly puts the cars back on the track. Oh. Oh, Josh goes airborne.
Definitely had nothing to do with that.
I wonder if I got that. So we're doing 5-minute races with 4 cars on, since everybody's here tonight. Oh!
Oh!
See if we get some more airborne. Oh! Ah! Oh, nice refill.
You're welcome, Alan.
Repay the Duke of War position.
Yeah.
Duke of War cracking it up. Oh! And Josh out of the track.
Pardon? I know that feeling better. At least everybody's still running. Better than the other race. I noticed that my body is actually attached to my car and my body is no longer. We're drafting to catch up to them, Josh. It's all good. Just stay calm.
Oh, we're all in the same lane, eh?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my!
What's the running order?
It's going right now. Fred, Kevin, Josh, you.
Pat?
Duke of War in first.
No, it's not.
You're leading, Kevin's in second.
Oh.
Josh is in fourth. Sadly, the Duke of
Josh
War
is out.
last. No, not anymore. Duke of War is now in third.
Oh!
Oh, that's your bumper fell off. Pardon? Your bumper fell off, of course. The Duke of War is now in second.
Oh, my car. Is it?
Hello, I said Duke of War is last. Now we're in second. But now it's bullying Kevin.
Oh, that's
I
good.
gotta fix my tire.
Oh, the tire came off.
Oh.
Oh, that's a terrible feeling.
Boom!
Oh! Yes!
Crack, wipe out.
I need my car to...
Kevin's car quickly goes in the pit.
As the Duke of War catches up to Alan.
My car is slow. Oh, what happened?
Pass him, Duke of War, pass him.
What?
Get out of the center.
You won last week. Well, the week you were here. Not get the best on that.
Well, it is only the first race. Oh, the wipe out!
Don't worry, you're only like 10 points ahead of me.
Uh-oh.
Your lights were on, so it shouldn't be your brushes.
You guys don't have lights.
Oh, and there it is.
They have tail lights.
So we got Alan and the Duke of Bar and 5, Kevin and Mark, for a wonderful, spectacular race.
Josh was.
Oh yeah, Josh is 4. What do I know? I'm just filming this.
Oh, yeah.